What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. So today's video is going to be about fixing my friend's Volkswagen GTI. He has a parts car and he has a regular car. His car got into an accident. It was pretty bad, so we're trying to see how we can fix it up, making sure his car would be in good condition to run again. He has an oil leak, which majority of the things we're going to be talking about when we're over there, and he could explain it better because it's his car. So I'm over there to help him out, and then we're going to see how the rest of the video goes. Let's get it. Yeah, so what happened?
Bro, I got into a car accident, swerved off the highway, we just fucking spun out, broke axle, the whole front end, like already replaced 2 parts, but basically right now the big problem is this oil leak down here, oil filter housing, the MK5, and then we already started draining. We got a catch can fixed, we got the new reservoir in, bumper and all that stuff is downstairs, but yeah, we're trying to figure this shit out right now.
Bet. What are we doing right now? We're just trying to take out the back wheels and replace them up with your...
We're gonna put a full winter set right now. We got the front ones on. Now we're gonna put the back ones on.
Bet. Up at the parts car right here.
Now, this is where my oil leak is. So we're gonna try to get the oil cooler out, and then work our way to get the oil filter housing out, and hopefully that will solve our leak in the other car.
But yeah. All right, so we got this part out right here, the oil cooler. You see that side?
That's nasty.
And now we gotta take out the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, so we can get this housing out.
2 hours later.
Alright, just fucking. There we go.
Alright, so it's hard to see. We put the radiator back on, but we just took out the housing for this. It's getting too dark, but if anything, we'll pick it up some next time. Ralphie boy, shout out to Phil and Vincent, or Michael. But yeah, probably make like a part 2 on this, on the rebuild. Hopefully it goes out well, and hopefully it's not cold. Take it easy, everybody.